Good morning, welcome to JDT Ballistics. I'm Jesse.
I'm Dylan. Now a lot of you might recognize this gun from games like Black Ops 2. This is going to be the CZ Scorpion Evo. This one's the Evo 3 S1, the carbine version. And on the end here we have the Dead Air Mojave 9 Suppressor. We're just going to be testing a few things with it.
Alright, let's get started.
I'm going to go first for me.
You go ahead, go first. Now, do you want to do short first?
Yeah, short first.
Hold it. Uno momento.
Technical difficulties.
It's just long-winded. There we go. Okay, you want me to do the little meter thing?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right,
All you have to do is hit
Let
play
me get
on
my equipped shit on. Alright, now, what do I do? Hit play?
Yeah, just hit play.
Okay, so I need to be over here?
Yeah, either one.
Right there?
Just
go ahead and
tell us what the readings are
Okay.
whenever it happens.
Alright, I'm going to go
Not
ahead
my
and turn
favorite.
it on now.
Okay.
It is good to go.
Now my favorite part about this gun .
76, 90, 90.
Oh damn, I did forget to talk about that ammo too. So, for the first round we're going to be firing Federal American Eagle 124 grain, 9mm. The velocity of that's going to be just above supersonic, going to be 1150 feet per second. Let's go.
Alright, now we're going to try out the Winchester silver tip, 147 grain. It goes 1,010 feet per second at muzzle velocity. We're going to see how that goes.
You can just rack it all the way back and let it go forward, or you can just slap it.
Alright, almost left.
The best part.
Operator.
Oh, shit, hang on.
Safety!
Hang on.
What we got? What we got? Oh, yeah.
I almost forgot.
Put the. Ready?
Yeah.
Hit the bush.
Still max of 90.
Go max of 90. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Now. Oh. Still going?
That's
Okay. Now. What are we doing? That one.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to fucking load it up.
You want me to help you out here with your
Maybe.
gloves?
Yeah. Can you just hand them to me?
I'll tell you what, let me.
I can fucking load them fine with the gloves, but
Get them damn gloves out. There.
getting them out the damn box is
That's
a
teamwork.
different story.
That is teamwork, ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, so for the next ammo, we're going to have the Hornady Subsonics. They're going to be also 140 grain. They fire at 975 feet per second, so slightly slower than the Winchester silver tips.
So it should be drastically quieter.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we'll see. And we are on. 90. 90. Still 90.
Alright, so now we shot it short. We're going to add this piece back in and shoot it long next. See what the difference is.
Okay, let's try to get 3 more out. There we go. Oh, no, help didn't work. Help, give me hold them.
Help failed me.
Let me hold. Here. Say when.
When?
Thank you. Get it in there.
Alright, so now that we're shooting it long, we're going to go back to the Supersonics and see if there's a difference. We're Pretty sure the decibel meter isn't really working too well, but hey, we're gonna keep trying.
We'll see if this, y'all should be able to hear if it sounds a little different.
I'll go ahead and reset it and...
Yeah, just go, yeah. Oh. Put this back. Safety off, everybody good?
It's ready.
Oh, I love that.
It's my favorite thing, dude. Still showing 90.
Still showing 90. Or more like the decimal meter's a little.
So I'm just gonna reset it after each one. You just hit the little
Still not
reset
bad.
thing on the bottom.
Yeah, just reset. Okay. Sound good. Sound good.
Help.
Damn, I need help. Cameron, come here. No way, I went the other way. See? Help, come here.
If you went the right way, it'd been easier.
Oh, I like going the right way.
Okay, so now we're going to go back to the Winchester Silver Tips, the ones just below Supersonic.
Oh.
You ready?
Still 90. Still 90. That one was 62.
Something tells me that thing just isn't working.
Yeah.
It maxes out at 90 and it says it goes to 120.
We'll still keep doing the decimal
I don't
meter, but we're not going to trust it.
Dumb shit.
No, they don't. We don't need to either. Hey, you got that one. You like my little trick, the flippity box?
Yeah,
No.
makes it easier.
Yeah. That's when you're glove capped.
Yeah. I will say, it didn't burn me through the gloves, granted. It didn't
Yeah,
shoot
and I
that much ammo through it.
Yeah, but it's not hot. It's just warm right now.
Yeah.
It's not
Okay,
terrible.
that's good then.
Now these are, what are we doing? Let's see.
We're
going
back to the actual ones branded as Subsonics. The
Subsonic
Hornadies.
handgun. 25 in a box. What's the grain on these?
147 grain.
Still 147 grain. Okay.
The 9mm, if they're subsonic, they're going to be 147 grain.
147. Alright. Alright. Safety. Trying to get off. Okay. Y'all red tie? It's going to be a lot quieter.
Oh. Well, I wish I knew I could have done this.
What's that? Oh. That'd be nice. That'd be nice.
Okay.
Still just warm.
Now the plan's going to be to shoot it wet. Just basically pour a little bit of water inside.
Alright. This is very scientific what we're doing, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Petri dishes and whatnot. Ignore the steel logo. Alright. This is gonna work. Okay.
Okay. And that's classified as shooting it wet. So we're going to go back to short, see how that goes. Okay, so now that we've shortened it again and it's wet, we're going to see if the it being wet makes a difference to sound.
You want to pop them out for you again?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
These are a little easier. Get there.
So they're a little bit easier with the gloves too. But
Yeah.
Those are the ones that are a pain because they don't have the casing stick.
Right, yeah.
They have the actual, round.
And we're doing the American Federal 125 grain again.
Okay.
There we go. Meat tour. Still 90. I don't think it works that good.
I don't think it
I
does.
don't think it works that good.
Okay, so back to the silver tips. Come out of there. I do like the look of silver tips though.
Yeah, they look pretty neat.
They look good. There you go.
My turn. Everybody good? The last one always seems a little quieter to me.
Still showing 90. I think we might just give up on
Yeah,
this.
let's just leave the meter alone because it ain't working that great.
Okay, and
Rail still hadn't got really much hotter. I mean,
which is kind of surprising.
yeah.
I mean, it didn't take long for it to get hot the other day.
No,
And
well,
it was hotter.
we shot it quite a bit, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, now it's going to be back to the Hornadies, the ones branded as subsonics. Ready? Honestly, I can't tell if there's a difference between shooting the wet or dry.
No, I can't either.
I wish the meter actually
The
functioned.
meter would have been better, yeah.
Okay, now we gotta make it on.
Back to the long.
Okay, so back to long, back still wet, and we're gonna go back to the Supersonics. See how that goes.
I wager not much difference. Still the same warmth too. That's it. Ready?
I forgot we went back to Supersonics. As much.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
seriously.
so loud.
That's why. That's why. Yeah.
Okay, and now we're gonna go back to the silver tips, the ones just below supers.
That was odd.
Yeah, the one loud one in the fucking
No,
middle.
that was weird. I figured if anything it'd be at the start. Usually after you shoot it once, it gets quieter from then on. Strange.
I don't know. I'm sure it's still just breaking in.
Yeah, must be.
You ain't got that many rounds through this suppressor.
You know, surprisingly, we've been shooting it a little bit now, and it's not much warmer than when we started. Maybe because it's wet still? Don't know. Alrighty. Still pretty quiet. I mean,
Let's say on the sets, I do kind of feel like shooting it wet long did make a difference.
yeah, it seemed like
Could
it
be
was
just like a placebo thing, but
yeah,
hey.
it seemed like it was a little better, a little quieter. Now what?
I'm just gonna empty the rest of these two boxes.
Okay. We're just gonna play around now.
to it.
All right. Okay, there's no real test here. I just want to do this just because. I'll get away from here. I don't want the splash to get me. Safety. Ah! That was a little more than I expected it was going to do. That feels pretty cool. Alright, let's see what happened. Entry.
Actually did a pretty good
the exit. Yeah, not bad. Blew the lid off.
Better than I thought it would.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Little rat. Oh, I got water trapped in the middle. That's neat. I'll put it back up there for later. I had to. I had to.
Okay, as you guys saw, the subsonics were a lot quieter than the supersonics, and the difference between short and long on the suppressor really made a difference. Unfortunately, the decibel meter didn't really work.
Not the best. Not what we was hoping for.
Yeah, it basically just kept giving 90. That was it. I think that might have been where it maxed out, or I don't know. Either way, it was fun. It's a fun video.
Thank y'all for watching JDT Ballistics. Until next time, I'm Jesse.
I'm Dylan.
Thank y'all for watching.